Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove effects on Instagram Reels. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's say, for example, we are creating a reel right here under the reel section. Okay. Say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and take this picture of mine. I'm going to tap on it. And then let's say, for example, Instagram right here automatically attaches its own effect. Okay, so how do we fix it or how do we remove it? As you can see here, we have these tabs at the very bottom. So just tap on this glittering icon. Okay, it looks like a glittering icon. Just tap on it. Now there are two ways to remove it. For example, it is set to like HDR. Okay, automatically set to HDR. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on no effects. Okay, just tap on it and it will be gone. Now, if you're using an older version of Instagram, okay, so to fix that, all you need to do is just tap on the effect that is used, okay? Just tap on it once more. As you can see, it automatically returns to no effect. And that's basically it. You can now go ahead and swipe down and tap on the picture or video once more. Then go ahead and tap on next and continue with your post. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.